In the last class, we have discussed regarding the electronic effects. Is inductive effect we have studied. In inductive effect, sigma electrons are getting displaced partially towards more electronegative atom. Whether the electrons are moving away from the molecule or towards the molecule, we have minus I groups plus I groups, that we have discussed in the yesterday class. But today class what we are going to discuss is that resonance and resonance energy, resonance structures is very important. Resonance topic is very important, that we are going to see. So first we'll see the definition of the resonance. Resonance is that the phenomenon of existing two or more than two structures which are having same bonding connectivity but differ in the electronic distribution is called resonance. So definition looks is very bigger, but you see only two terms are which are important present in the definition. Is that one is that bonding connectivity, electronic distribution. Bonding connectivity is nothing but bonded atoms connecting sequence is same, but only the distribution of electrons is get changed. So with one example we'll see that with benzene. You see in the first structure benzene I given the numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6. Similarly in the second structure also I have given the same numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you consider the first structure, the double bond is present between the first carbon to second carbon, whereas in the second structure if you see between the first carbon and second carbon you have a single bond. Electrons are getting differently distributed between the first carbon to second carbon in the first structure, between the first carbon and second carbon in the second structure, but both are representing benzene only. So these are the this kind of phenomenon or this kind of process is called resonance. So even you can see in the third 4 carbon also double bond is there, but whereas in the second structure third 4 carbon single bond is there. You can see in the fifth 6th carbon double bond is there, but in the second structure 5th 6th carbons are possessing single bond. So ultimately the simple way of expressing the resonance phenomena or resonance is that exhibiting of more than two or more than two structures which have same connectivity, bonding connectivity, but differ in the electron distribution is called resonance. Okay. So is these resonance structures are real or hypothetical? These are imaginary, hypothetical. They are not really existing. These are only imaginary structures. But they possess the identical bonding connectivity. Such kind of structures are called resonance structures or canonical forms. This is another kind of term, canonical forms. Canonical forms are resonance structures or contributing structures. You can say them as resonance structures or canonical structures or contributing structures. What are resonance structures or canonical structure or contributing structures means the hypothetical structures with different electronic arrangement but having the same bonding connectivity are called resonance structures. Such kind of existing phenomena is called resonance. So you see it's very easy to understand. The definitions are too bigger, but you see in the resonance it is that two or more than two structures having same bonding connectivity but differ in the electronic distribution. Such phenomena is resonance. Such kind of existing structures are called resonance structures. Now one thing, resonance structures are real or imaginary? They are imaginary, they are hypothetical, they don't exist in the nature, but we are imagining they may be like this. You can't find them, so they are only imaginary. But what is actual structure? By the combination of all these resonance structures, you will get the actual structure. That is called resonance hybrid. That is only the real structure which we are writing on the paper or which will exist in the nature. That is real structure. That real structure, how it obtained? By combining the all resonance structure. For a given molecule, some resonance structures are possible. I am combining all these resonance structures so that I am getting a resonance hybrid. Resonance hybrid is the real, exist in the nature. But whereas resonance structures are imaginary, hypothetical, they don't exist in the nature. So now you see the connectivity, how they are connected. Resonance structures, then after resonance hybrid. What is this resonance hybrid? Resonance hybrid is obtained by the combination of resonance structures or canonical forms or contributing structures. So these are the terminologies. So if you see properly, if you slowly try to understand it slowly, then it will become easier. Otherwise, if you try to bad it becomes very, what we can say, difficult. So the same thing I just want to explain in other way. So you can see, sir, why we need resonance structure, resonance hybrid and all these concepts. What are the things we are forcing to learn these things? So you see, actually if I take any of the resonance structure of benzene, I can't explain the property of benzene. When I do some reactions, benzene is unsaturated compound. It should involve in the addition reactions. But unfortunately, I can't find that addition reactions in the laboratory. I can find substitution reactions. Benzene is more involved in the substitution reactions. This is very important. You see, benzene liquid I have, I know that it is an unsaturated compound, but when I perform the addition reaction, it is reluctant. It is refusing to participate in that reaction. But where it involves? It involves in the substitution reactions. But how do I explain? That time the resonance phenomena came in the picture. So you see, if we go into the atomic level, when you see in the resonance structure 1 of benzene and resonance structure 2 of benzene, we know that between the carbon double bond, if it is present, what should be the bond length? It should be 1.54 angstroms. This we know, it is the standard value. But when come to the CC single bond, how much should be the bond length? It should be the 1.34 angstroms. I have written here properly. But actually when I measured the CC bond length in the benzene, how much I am getting? 1.39 angstroms. It is in between the single bond and the double bond. So there it is the problematic. So something else is present. The structure it should not have resonance structure 1, it should not have resonance structure 2, it may have some other structure. That is only the resonance hybrid. Otherwise we could not study all these things. So only thing is that I just want to tell you that is with one, this example is best example actually. Everybody can take this example only to explain, because it is the one practically we can distinguish the things. When you take benzene, it is an unsaturated compound. it should involve in the addition reaction. Its property, actually the unsaturated compounds has a property of involve in the addition reactions, but unfortunately it is participating in the substitution reactions, so that the other structure, we are trying to find other structure, that is only the resonance hybrid. So now I think you come to understand what is resonance. Resonance, why we need to study resonance hybrid. What is resonance hybrid? What is canonical structures or resonance structures? And one other more thing is that resonance energy. So what is the resonance energy, or what we can say, resonance hybridization energy? Not hybridization, stabilization, you can say that. Resonance stabilization energy. Better. The word we should pronounce it properly. There is resonance stabilization energy, not the hybridization. Resonance stabilization energy. So you see here how the resonance structures are forming. They have same connectivity, but where they differ? In the electron distributions. Yes, right. So by changing the electron distributions or delocalization of electrons, we will get the resonance structures. Are they real? No, we are getting on the paper. They are hypothetical. So by changing the electrons distribution among the connected atoms, we are getting the resonance structures. Okay, let us consider there are several or 3 resonance structures are there for a given molecule, and D is the resonance hybrid. So resonance hybrid is having the lower energy, actually, because it is real molecule which is having lesser energy, it is stable, so that will exist in the nature. So D is the resonance hybrid. A, B, C are the resonance structures. C is having lesser energy. You consider like that. The difference between the D and C is called resonance energy or resonance stabilization energy. I just try to give the definition. You just concentrate on this thing. The energy of actual structure of the molecule, actual structure is what? Resonance hybrid, is lower than that of any of the canonical structures. Okay, that is one. Next, the difference in the energy between the actual structure and the lowest energy resonance structure is called resonance stabilization energy, or simply the resonance energy. So I just try to explain here. You can see properly it is there. So for benzene, how many resonance structure we can find? 2, 1 and 2. They are identical, so they have same energy. How much is that? 85.8 kilocalories per mole. These are real or imaginary? Imaginary. These are resonance structures. And now come to the resonance hybrid. This is benzene is resonance hybrid. How much we have calculated its energy is that 49.4 kilocalories per mole. So now you take the difference of these two things. How much you got? 36 kilocalories per mole. That is the resonance energy or resonance stabilization energy. Benzene is simple because it has 2 resonance structure, but both are identical. There should not there is no difference in their energies actually. But if you take some more example, they may have differ in the energy also. But what we have to find is lowest resonance structure energy to the resonance hybrid. So from this you will get the what is resonance energy. Simple it is that. Only thing is that the difference in the resonance hybrid structure energy to the lowest resonance structure energy is called resonance energy. One more time. The difference in the resonance hybrid energy to the lowest energy of the resonance structure is called resonance energy or resonance stabilization energy. For benzene, the value is that 36.36 kilocalories per mole. Okay, that is the four terminology. You just try to go through these terminologies again one more time. It's not that one time you will get, you have to go through again several times, then only you will try to understand. Okay, just a little I just want to extend these things. So what are the conditions to, sir, you are telling okay resonance this that, but what are the conditions? But can I see this resonance in any molecule whatever you given? Water can I find? Ammonia can I find? Or in any molecule can I find this resonance? No. Limitations are there. Resonance is a phenomena, it is only applicable for a few molecules. But I need to tell that the conditions which are what we can say, which are opting the resonance to the molecule. So in that, the first condition is that conjugation. Conjugation is the most important condition to exhibit the resonance. Sir, but what is conjugation? Conjugation is that when a unsaturation is nothing but double bond, triple bonds are separated with a single bond. You can see in the structure, two double bonds are there, they are separated with a single bond. Such kind is called conjugation. Second structure, you see, in the second structure a double bond is there and a positive charge is separated with a single bond. That is called conjugation. In the third structure, double bond is there, negative charge is there, separated with a single bond. And in the fourth structure, double bond is there, lone pair electrons are there, separated with a single bond. So these are the conjugations. When double bond is separated with a double bond through a single bond, when a double bond is separated with a positive charge by a single bond, when a double bond is separated with a negative charge with a single bond, when a double bond is separated with a lone pair through a single bond. Just separation. I just need a one single bond separation through that double bond to double bond to positive charge, double bond to negative charge, double bond to lone pair. Then such kind of structures have conjugation. If they have conjugation, what they do? They will participate in the resonance. They will involve in the resonance. So they may have hypothetical structure, so we need to find their hybrid structure as like benzene. Next condition. There are several conditions. I just taken two conditions only which are very important. The one is conjugation, the other one should be every atom in the molecule should not violate its valency. Let us consider oxygen valency is 2. In the first structure you see oxygen has 2 valency, but in the second structure oxygen is getting 3 valency. Oxygen also possessing positive charge. So which structure will exhibit the resonance? The first one will exhibit, the second one will not, because it has violating the valency. Oxygen is violating its valency. And in the second structure you see, in that nitrogen is having the trivalency is okay, but in the second structure nitrogen is getting tetravalency. Maximum valency of nitrogen will be 3. More than that it is violating its valency. So that nitrogen in the second structure is violating valency, so it will not involve in the resonance. Okay, you see, I just want to conclude the things in the easiest way. So our aim is that easiest way to understand. First thing is resonance, second thing is resonance structure, third thing will be resonance energy, fourth thing will be the conditions. First, resonance. The existing of two or more than two structures with same bond connectivity but with differ in the electron distribution phenomena is called resonance. Second is resonance structures existing of two structures having the connectivity same but differ in the electron distribution. Those structures are called resonance structures, canonical structures, or contributing structures. The third one is resonance energy, resonance stabilization energy. Resonance hybrid is real, resonance structures are hypothetical. So the difference in the energy of the resonance hybrid to the lowest resonance structure energy is called resonance energy. And then conditions. One should be conjugation, it should have, another should not violate, any atom should not violate the valency of the condition, so that they will exhibit the resonance. Okay, you go through once. I will try to give again one more class on this resonance, and we'll see the applications. You see, in the inductive effect also we didn't see the applications, that we'll see. But only thing is that I just want to give some time for you to understand the basic things. Okay, right.